In this video, we're going to talk about how to calculate sales tax and total price. These problems are like those from 5.7, number 1, 3, 9, and 15. First problem says, what is the sales tax on a jacket priced at $525? If the sales tax rate is 6%, so this is what we call our list price, our shelf price. This is our tax rate. So what we need to pay 100% of the list price, or the price on the tag, plus an extra 6%. So 100% plus an extra 6% is we need to pay 106% of the list price. So 106% is the same thing to me as 1 600ths times my list price of $525. Figure that out with my calculator here. It's going to be $556.50. And this is going to be my total price. Now the tax that was charged is the difference there. If I wanted to calculate just the sales tax here, is let's subtract the list price of $525 from that. So my tax price was $31.50. I could have found the tax just by taking the 6% of the original price as well, since this just asked me for the tax rate for the amount of tax paid. I could have done that. There's my answer for the tax. The purchase price of a camcorder is $628. This is what is the total price if the sales tax rate is 8.5%? So we're assuming the $628 is the list price. We have a tax rate of 8.5%. So our total price is going to be 108.5% times 628. $1.085 times 628 gives me $681.38. The gold and diamond bracelet sells for $1,800. Find the sales tax and total price if the sales tax rate is 7.5%. So we want sales tax. We want total price. So let's find the sales tax first. 7.5% times 1,800. And I get $135. I need to add that $135 to the $1,800 to get $1,935. A cell phone costs $418. The charger costs $14. Battery costs $6. What is the sales tax and total price for these items if the sales tax rate is 7%? So we're going to add, I get 18, 3. So my total purchase price was $438 for what we call the subtotal before tax. I want 438 times 1.07. This is if I have to do this by hand. This is how I do it without the calculator. I wanted to do at least one problem for you that way. This is 56. 21 plus 5 is 26. 28 plus 2 is 30. Slide over past the ones place. There's a 0 in the tens place, so I'll put a 0 for that and slide all the way over to the hundreds place here. 8, 3, and 4. 6, 6, 8, 6, 4. So that's I read those numbers backwards, but that's 46,866 is what it looks like right now. But I have 2 decimal places. So that's going to make that turn into $468.66 for my total price. Now, if I already calculated the total cost of the items by themselves. If I want to find the difference here, it'll give me the cost of just the tax. So 66 cents. It looks like the tax was $30.66. All right, that is everything for this set. We'll come back next time and calculate simple interest. It's going to be similar, but a little different to what we just did with tax rates. So we'll see you for that video next time.